Okay, earlier today, I shot a video with whatever. Today is January 17th, 2022, okay? And this is a Toshiba RT, can't remember. Toshiba RT-SWU9, meaning UHF TV. Right? This has VA, those channels in FM, plus channel 1 through 3. Hard to explain, but there it all is, right? Okay, and then it's got a 3-band equalizer, which is 100 hertz, 1 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz of volume control, power switch, headphone jack, microphone jack, mono, stereo, and stereo wide. And these are the confusing buttons. Okay, this is that's the power switch over there. Okay, so then this is the selector switch for the tape, I don't know, and line in. Okay, and there's the rest of the buttons. Then you have this here, which is your, I don't know again, but you probably can understand. It'll play 1 to 2 tapes. It'll play all the tapes completely, play both sides and stop, or just play one side and stop. Okay, so those are your selector buttons. Alright, that's this end, that's the tune end. It does have line in and extra antennas connections. There's the back. Takes 6 C batteries or an AC plug, 100 volts. This is the label, okay. That's a better picture of the label. Right. And there are the screws, how they come out. These 2 on the top, they're longer than the other 4. Crack it open. That's the grounding of the ground wire to the speaker. That's all that is. Had to unsolder that. This just plugs in. That's the 3 wires for the speakers. Okay. And here's the entire unit opened up. It's 2.8 ohms at 3 watts. Okay, and it's got dual. Anyway, you can see that there, right? There's that picture. I just took this picture to make sure where these screws went. And then here's a picture without those removed, and there's 2 screws at the bottom of each deck to hold it in place. Note the rotating heads. And this is there's the old belt. Okay. And this is another picture of both. Well, you can't see that, no flash. Here's a flash picture showing the old belt. And I like this machine because it has a separate motor for the rewind and fast forward, plus a singular deck motor for the capstan, which is dual. Here's a dual like that. And these are, well, they're whatever they are. And this one is, okay, this is, who knows, Mabuchi's. Okay, here's all cleaned. I took the speakers out, cleaned them, okay. I used denatured alcohol, I used deoxit, and I used canned air, and there's the main deck, and like that. Here it is all finished, okay. So now let me just white out, okay, so. And I just ruined one of my pre-recorded tapes because I just ruined this tape. with this tape because I hit this button by accident and it automatically recorded from this machine to that machine. So here, let me shine a light here and just show you so you can see it running. Okay, so there it is. So it just recorded from this tape here, so this tape deck takes precedence over that one. So if I hit play on this one, the sound will go away from this and revert to this one. So here we go. And see, that's the sound I just recorded onto this one by accident. So, and of course they both do the sound search, right? So do that. It'll fast forward like that. And then of course it plays both sides. Okay. That one plays both sides as well. All day long. Of course it'll music search either side. Like I said, this one, you can take this out, and if you kill the power on it by accident, it'll stop and drop the heads, and you can take a tape out. I'll show you. Kill the power right up here, okay, like that, and you can take your tape out, okay. So, go back to play. Wait, put the power back on. Anyway. And of course, it does run on batteries, right? So if we unplug it here, right? So it kills it, right? You have to go back to putting it in play mode again, because you see that here's the power level meter indicator, and when you have it on radio and you tune it, so there's stereo light, okay?
Tuesday in the CW.
Can you see that? Yeah. Anyway, the radio works, but I'm not here about the radio. I bought this for the tape decks.
Persecuted.
Okay, so.
Struck down.
So. Anyway, so here's the music I can play on the. It's late at night. I'm sorry you can't see this really well, but. Let me have the camera here. Okay. Yeah. So it's. Really can't hear the high treble too well, but that works, and the bass works. It's subtle, but it's there. And I don't know what this does. I think this is mic mixing. I don't have a mixing mic, so I don't know what more I can tell you. It's just it all works. I think that was another one I messed up on, but who knows. And, okay, so here's this end, there's that end. It, takes that there, takes C batteries, which is what it's running on. they are. So, see if I can get this back in here. I think so, yeah. Great. And then here's your line in, okay, and a couple of antenna deals. It's got a complete antenna, okay. Well, here. Well, I can't pull it out one-handed, but okay. Anyway, it's a sugar, okay. Sugar, and that's it. That's my review. Oh, it's got auto metal tape selector. It's got, here, I'll show you that. Let's see, wait. If I can get a light up in here, let's see. Does the light work? Okay. Good night. Mom's going to bed. Okay. Well, kind of hard to see, but there's little feelers up in there that, I mean, I know how to fake it, make it work with the, I don't know, but I can't do it one-handed. I have two hands here. Put it back on the tripod. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to make a last little video here, so here. Doing like that, right? You want to fake it, you have to push this up here. Oh, here, you can't see that either. Okay, so here, let me get a flashlight. Doing this at night. Okay, put the flashlight on the head. Turn that on, right? Turn that on. Then, I was trying to take it right, so you push up on this here, and you can get it to play, or fast forward, or go the other way, or play that way, or, well, let's see here. And you know what I forgot? I forgot to change the, well, anyway, it's got dual rotating heads. I made a video earlier today where I had this thing apart in my lap, but I haven't uploaded that yet. But good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. It's me. Yep. Good night. Bye-bye.